have a picture on that, what it's showing?
Oh yeah, right there. Yeah,
Oh,
take
man.
a look.
Look at that.
Look at how clear that is.
That is.
Huh?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm recording video right now.
Right.
There you go. How's that? Okay. Oh yeah, you can see it right there.
Yeah, I've been watching. The thing just
Okay.
ugly.
Is he ready to do it?
Won't be long. He can get the limbs taken away. How long will that thing fly for?
About 25 minutes per battery.
Right.
Then you just land and switch the battery.
Okay. Ain't got no stay up longer than that?
Sir?
They don't have none to stay up longer than that?
No, that's about the max these days.
You have a pilot's license yet?
No. No, you have to register yourself as a drone owner with the FAA. Now look at how rock steady that is, and it's really breezy.
Yeah.
Especially you get up there. I'm at 119 feet. It's breezy up there.
That thing just sitting there.
Yeah. Okay. Is he ready?
Getting ready.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, that picture is amazing. Yeah. That damn thing right there costs that much itself, don't it?
Huh?
This thing costs very much itself, don't it?
It comes with it for $1,000. The drone and this thing. He can't just pull it. He's got to get the roots out.
Yeah, cut a few roots out. Old trees like that, they got a lot of roots on them.
It won't take him but a few minutes, right?
Yeah, it won't take long.
Well, that one's pretty well dead.
Yeah, that thing is, yeah.
But this other one you just decided to take out?
Yeah, because it's gonna die.
It will?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm in the right position. That thing is going to show it all the way. All right. Look at that.
On the ground.
Right place at the right time.
Yeah.
Hell of a thing. Do you see that?
Still 119 feet.
Oh, yeah. The thing is, I'm not touching it.
Right.
The computer on it is just rock solid.